Hey guys, Andre with Pinnacle Credit Repair, owner of Pinnacle Credit Repair, and I'm here making a video.
And I never even dealt with them, never said anything bad about them, but I'm like, who's shitting your cornflakes? I've never met you, I don't even know who you are. Why are you mad at me?
Andre, you really need to stop lying about credit, and you need to stop lying about Dave, because you're just making yourself look bad. You've had someone like me, a finance manager in your network, and then you fucked me over, and now I'm exposing you. Just say it, little buddy. You're barking up the wrong tree and fucking with the wrong people. Remember, being that I can blind you with dental floss would indicate that you have the foresight of a 5-year-old, which you do. You're kind of retarded.